everyone, it's Nikki from Hawaii Doggy Bakery. So Easter's coming up soon, and if you've been on our website or our Facebook, you've seen that we've come up with some really awesome Easter baskets this year. Kind of like this one. This is the small size, and we had a lot of fun putting together all the different shapes and flavors that we were going to put in the basket. So I thought we would share with you the process of how we make one of the shapes. And one of the shape that we're going to show you is this Easter bunny. So this Easter bunny is Chicken-n-Poi flavored, and yeah, he's got a little face and everything, so enjoy the video! So that is the magic behind how we made this little guy here. So if you want to get this little guy, he is in our small baskets and our large baskets, which are available for pre-order now. And right now there's only in pickup in Hawaii in our store, Manoa store options, but we are going to have some shipping options to the mainland soon. So please stay tuned to that. But thank you so much for watching our video. Have a great day.
Hawaii Doggy